So now for the finishing touches on your hand drill kit, you're going to get your mini knife, your board, and your spindle. And you're going to place the spindle about 1/4 of an inch in from the end of it, from the side of the board, and trace around it with your knife. It does not need to be perfect, just to give you an idea. Definitely doesn't look perfect. Then with those lines as a guide, push your knife into the piece of wood at an angle and make a line, and then do another one pushing right towards that on the other side. Do it again and again, and then push your knife under that and pop out the little chunk, and then check if it fits your spindle. If it does, good. If it doesn't, make another one, and I'll show you what to do next. So now I've got that little square, and I'm going to put my spindle inside it. But first I'm going to put a little bit of sand in it. It can be wet, and that'll help grind. So then put your hands on each side of the spindle and move it back and forth, pushing down really hard and going as fast as you can. And you'll start to see smoke. It'll make a shushing noise once it's good. And then I think one more go. This one's done. So I've got that perfect little hole now. And then I'm going to show you what to do next. So now we're going to get our board, our saw, and our knife. And see this little hole? I'm going to make a triangle cut right into it. Not too thick. Just about, I guess, the really skinny blade length. And I'm going to take my saw and cut in to that using those marks as a guide. Take a look. Now I can start from the other side. So now you've got this little notch, but it's not perfect, so I'm going to clean it up a little bit with the knife. You want to be about in the middle, but don't make it too wide. And then we're going to make a fire. Okay, so now we're going to make our fire, and I've got my tinder bundle, my hand drill, and a piece of birch bark under the notch to catch the coal. And my dad's going to be here to help me. We're going to do a tandem because it's a lot easier that way. And let's make a fire. Oh, it's huge. So now we've got a coal and we're waving over it to keep it going. And then we'll dump it into our tinder bundle. You want to try? Oh, they're really smoky together. What?
Nice.
And we made a hand drill fire. So I hope you liked the video, and I should have a new one in a week. Please subscribe, and bye.